Google Bard has transformed into Gemini, and the name change also comes with a new app. You can now access the newly christianized Gemini on your Android phone through Gemini app. It is only available for US and in English language. Google is also throwing a new curveball. Once you download the app, you can opt in to remove Google Assistant and use Gemini as the only primary AI guide on your phone. The Hey Google wake up word will remain the same. Only now you'll be summarizing Gemini instead of Assistant. Google says you can now choose to stay with the Assistant, which might want you to do, since Gemini replacement does not incorporate all the features of Assistant for now. You can still use Gemini to set timers, make calls, control smart home devices, but not all Assistant features have been ported just yet. Google said this will happen sometime in the future, but sounds like Google is finally killing the Assistant. Nevertheless, if you switch to Gemini on your Android phone after downloading the dedicated app, you can access it the same way you use Assistant. You can press and hold the power button, corner swipe, or use the wake up word just like before. When you do that, a new Gemini overlay will pop up instead of the Google Assistant. Google says Gemini can also understand what's happening on your phone screen to give you help. So you can, for instance, generate a caption for the photo you've just clicked, ask a question about something you're reading at the moment. Since the Gemini Advanced app is based on Google Gemini Pro model, expect most of the processing of your AI task to happen in the cloud. iOS users will not be getting a dedicated Gemini app. You can access it from the Google app itself. This feature will roll out in the coming weeks, allowing iOS users to tap on the Gemini toggle to chat with the AI, creating custom icons, get help writing social media posts and Excel, and more. Google will be rolling out starting in the US today. It's available in English. Google says you can access it from more locations in English, Japanese, Korean starting next week.